So you have learned how to work with streams in Java. Now, if you want to work with primitive values, it's more efficient to use one of the specialized types. We have int stream, long stream, and double stream. Let me show you an example. So I'm going to create an int stream. Now, this class has the same factory methods that you learned about before. For example, we can generate infinite or finite streams using the generate and iterate methods. We also have the of method for generating a stream from an arbitrary number of values, let's say 1, 2, 3. But we have two additional methods that are really useful. One of them is range, the other is range closed. The difference between these two methods is that with range closed, the upper bound is inclusive. Let me show you. So I'm going to call range closed and pass 1 as the starting value and 5 as the ending value. Now, let's do a for each and print each item. So we get the numbers 1 to 5. If we use the range method, 5 is not included. So we get 1 to 4. Now, everything else you learned about streams, such as mapping, filtering, slicing, collecting, all these operations apply to primitive type streams as well.